How to use your WIC card at Walmart. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your WIC card when shopping at Walmart. For that, first of all, go ahead and open any browser in your PC and then in the search bar search for walmart.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and search for the item you would like to buy. Let's go ahead and search for milk for now. And once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply click on the product you are interested in. And now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, and then you'll find an option that says SNAP eligible. On Walmart's website and app, items marked SNAP eligible generally means they are also WIC eligible. Since both programs cover similar food items, if you see SNAP eligible, you can use your WIC card to pay for that item. Repeat the steps for any other groceries you would like to buy, and always check for SNAP or WIC eligibility before adding to your cart. When you are ready, you can go ahead and simply tap on Add to your cart and then simply continue to check out. Once you are ready to check out, you can go ahead and choose your delivery, pickup or shipping, and then follow the prompt. At payment, you will use your WIC card for eligible items. And that's it guys, easy way to make sure you're using your benefit correctly at Walmart. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.